Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little tour on our living room. Not all the stuff is to the trade. This sofa is the Carlisle sofa from Pottery Barn. We bought it like 9 or 10 years ago. It's held up pretty good. These are custom pillows, but this right here is one of my favorites from Serena Lily a couple of years ago. We keep a basket for all of our remotes, and when we don't know where it is in the sofa, you know, it should always land up here. It's a great thing for kids too to remember. I love books for coffee table styling. I used to style our coffee tables a ton. However, with kids and little ones and toddlers, it's just they become more and more decluttered. So I am definitely simplifying my decorating. Got a little side table over here. This is West Elm, a slip-covered dining room chair. They don't sell it anymore, but RH sells one similar. Of course, our crew banner. West Elm here. This sofa is Restoration Hardware. It's held up really, really great. I believe it's the Belgian shelter arm sofa. This here is Target. Our rug is from the French collection at the Atlanta Mart. I love their rugs. They are great heirloom rugs. Our signature Truth & Co candle. It smells so good. This is from Magnolia. I love live greenery, even if it's stuff from your yard. This is from Bassett. I think they sell it like Pals or wherever you can find it. This we got, gosh, several years ago from West Elm. But just little things. We have like our bowl of matches here. We definitely love Fort Fry because these are all the restaurants that we visit. We keep little keepsakes in here. Here's our little family. I love books, not just for styling, but for reading because I get inspired by many other architects, designers. This is kind of a catch-all. I think it's super important in each room in your house to have a catch-all. So the kids know that if we need to pick up the living room really quick, all the stuff goes in here. So we've got, you know, remote control cars and stuff like that. In here is candles. We are always lighting candles. So this is our candle box. This is a custom console that we had made that's seen a lot of wear and tear. These are from the Marts, which you could order through us if you'd like, but I love these lamps. Got some great books here, Habitat, The Nature of Home, and Stephen Gambrell Perspective, Jeffrey Duncan, one of my favorite architects. And Merci, this is like, besides Truth & Co., our signature candle, this is probably one of the scents of our homes, but this is the Merci brand, the Picnic. If your house smells like a poopy diaper, you spray this and nobody knows. So that is the tour of our living room.